Hi guys, it's Kid Chef Scarlet, and today I'm going to be making shrimp salad on a brioche bun, and these are the ingredients. Now I'm putting in Greek yogurt. Now I'm putting in sour cream. I'm giving it a taste before it's on the bun. So what this dish has on it is it has a brioche bun. This is the brioche bun, and then the shrimp salad that I made, which is right here, and then the lettuce that I just put on top, which wasn't in any of the videos, which is right here.